Hello, this is Mr. Huff. Let's take a look at this assignment for the Denver flight. This will be flown on X-plane using your Cessna 172. I do not want to see any other planes used for this flight. Okay, remember how to take a screenshot in Windows is Windows plus Shift plus the letter S. Another way is you can use the snipping app. You just go to the bottom left and type the word snip, and you'll see the snipping app pop up. Remember that Windows does not automatically save your screenshots, so as you take these screenshots, be sure you save them so that you don't lose them. You will be using this form. We'll go take a look at that once we start talking about screenshots, but right now I want to talk about how you're going to start. You are flying to Denver International Airport, and you're going to take off from one of these two airports. The normal flight we would use is too long to fit inside a class period at the mile, so these are much shorter flights that you should be able to finish comfortably in class. So you can choose the call letters 5CO6, and that is an O, not a 0, or CO18, and that's Meyer Ranch or Chaparral. When you are on the runway, you're going to tune the Navigation 1 VOR to 117.9, adjust the OBS until it says 2, and then you'll get your first screenshot there. Once you get that, you're going to take off and fly to Denver International Airport, taking a screenshot as you fly. And then when you land, you're going to take a picture of the location, go to local map, low en route flight path. I should see the whole thing. I should see where you took off from and when you land in Denver. And then the 6-pack VOR and Nav1, you'll get those screenshots as well. So here is the form you're going to use. You're going to put your name here at the top. And then you're going to tell me where you're flying from. So either of those two airports, make sure your heading says 2. Make sure you know your angle that you're using according to the VOR. So I should see this screenshot. I need to see that nav1 is tuned to the correct frequency. I need to see that this heading is aligned and says 2. Okay. Then once you take off and are flying on your heading, I should see that this heading and this compass heading match. So that's what I'm looking for on that. And I should see some airspeed, I should see some altitude, and I will also check that the VOR is tuned to the right frequency and is actually working. So that's what I'm looking for your in-flight. And then when you land, I should see your takeoff and landing points. It's probably not going to be a beautiful flight because this is the first time we've tried this, but I need to see a screenshot that shows your en route map from whatever you took off from to KDEN. So fill this in, put a screenshot that looks just like this here. Okay. And when you're on the runway at Denver after you land, I need to see a screenshot that captures the 6-pack and this navigation instrument here. And I'm going to be looking for 0 speed. I will check the elevation to make sure that's correct, and I should still see the settings on your VOR here. It may not be pointing correctly because you have landed. So that's what I'm looking for. Keep in mind there are also conclusion questions to answer, so put your questions right here in these boxes where it has all the pork products. All right, let me know if you have any questions, but that should take you an entire class period to get that done. All right, good luck.